Hi family, this is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy, and I am your favorite colon hydrotherapist that helps you reset your nervous system through colon hydrotherapy, herbs, and natural living. And I also train sacred souls to do the exact same thing. This video is for the men, for the fellas, for the crew. For those that we love, right? We love and adore the men. We love and adore the men. We're going to talk about your lymphatic system. It's nothing different from women. We just have different parts. And so the direction that you would flow would be very different. So my son is not here right now. Normally I would use him, but he's doing his thing or whatever. So he's unavailable to me. And I was just like, oh. Okay, well, shoot. Tell me something when you off the clock. He's like, Mom, hey. Talk to me when that check started hitting a little low. Oh, Mom, I don't need you. I can do it myself. So, I don't have what y'all have. Now, I appreciate what y'all have, but I don't have what you have. So, keep that in mind, please. So with our lymphatic system, your lymphatic system is literally your portal of exit. This is how waste moves out of the body. Now, technically, we have 5 channels of waste. Your lymphatic system can move and does move through all of these 5 channels. Now, the 5 channels are your colon, your kidneys, your lungs, your skin. For women, it is our uterus. For men, it is your prostate. So I just want to hit on 2 different areas that you would do differently if you were a man versus a woman. Now, if you are a woman, I already did your video. Definitely head over to my YouTube channel and you can watch the whole entire video in its length. I think it's about 12 minutes or so. It's a little longer because I'm giving you like things to do and like the protocol and everything. And then for the men, I'm just going to show you 2 different areas that are very different for you. So in regards to your lymphatic system, for your chest area, you're actually going to move from your breastbone, you're going to get a gua sha tool. This is one of my favorite gua sha tools, but you have a lot of different types. I love this one for the body because it's flat and I can do a lot more and grab a lot more surface level with this one. But keep in mind too, if you don't have a gua sha tool or you want to start gouacheing yourself now, you can use a spoon in the same method. Same method. Use the edge. Just make sure you don't use the spoon for anything else. It just stays for your gua sha tool. And then when you get the traditional gua sha tool, discard this one. Throw it away. Okay? So you're going to move from your breastbone to the underarm. Breastbone to the underarm. And you're just going to gently move it in that direction. And then once you get to the underarm, then you're going to pull from the underarm straight down. Underarm straight down. And you are going to feel the waist moving. You're going to go, oh, this is crazy. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it. You don't have to scrape back and forth. We're not scraping. We are intentionally moving the lymphatic system through the 5 channels of elimination. Do the same thing on this side, from the breastbone to the underarm, breastbone to the underarm, breastbone to the other arm. Make sure to be very gentle over the nipple. We're not scraping over the nipple. We're not even going over the nipple. You go to the nipple, then you stop, and then you go to the other side and you keep going. Okay? That's just me as a massage therapist study. You don't scrape over the nipple. We don't do that. So underneath the arm, same thing, pull down. Underneath the arm, pull down. Now this is what men forget. Men can also get breast cancer as well. A lot of waste sits right here underneath the arm and behind the armpit. So you want to pull all of that down. Now, watch my video for all of the other points that I hit. I'm not going to go over those points, but one point that I do want to go over is handling your member. So handling your workable tool, if you will, down there. What you're going to do for lymphatic release, for lymphatic flow, for increase in circulation and decrease in anything that could rightfully go wrong with your prostate, you're going to stretch your member out just like that, and just stretch and release. Stretch and then release. Stretch and then release. You're not pulling, you're not tugging, you're not doing any of that. And remember, the skin on that area is very delicate. We're not doing a physical release. That's not what we're doing. You are increasing circulation, then let go. Increase circulation, then let go. Increase circulation, then let go. You will start to feel movement. Excuse me, that's just my heater. You will start to feel movement. You might start to feel like you have to have a break and go to the restroom. You might have to relieve yourself, especially if you are an older man and if you are someone that's taking medication. Please keep in mind that all medications, and we're speaking for men, is going to affect your prostate. I'm going to say it again. All medications will affect your prostate. So the more circulation you give it, the more you take your member and you pull it and you stretch it like putty, the more energy and circulation for fighting bacteria, increasing your immune system, increasing the strength and your virality. All of that will happen when you give more attention and intention to this area, specifically the lymphatic flow. Now, once you do that, what you're going to do is, and this is for the men, prop your leg up on a chair or a table, whatever. You're going to take your gua sha tool, move your member to the side, and you're going to work from the inside of your thigh out to the knee. Inside, out, and just keep working it out, and just keep working it out. Get underneath, right? This is probably going to hurt a little bit more than right here, because this is what we sit on, and this is where the waste likes to accumulate for men. Hence the prostate and the kidneys and dop. It's a little bit more for you all. Well, this is why. So you're going to get one of these bad boys, gua sha tool, and you're just going to work that area very easy and very gentle. Same thing underneath, and just work it out, and you'll feel it. You will definitely feel it. And then do the other side. And then what I would recommend is that you take a shower after that. A warm shower. And you're going to be like, Mo, shut up. You're going to sleep like a baby. You're not going to be bloated. You're not going to be gassy. You'll probably have a better workout when you do work out the next day. It's probably going to be a little bit more like, I'm switching to the masculine, what you guys go for. More reps. Is that what I'm trying to say? Like, you're going to be able to go deeper with your reps. Is that, I don't know if that's what I'm trying to say. Because girls, we don't necessarily do reps like that. We do reps, but we don't go for the same goal. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. You're more efficient. Maybe that's the word I'm trying to use. You're more efficient when you do work out and push weights, etc., etc. You'll notice that your waistline will start to kind of like become more formed and defined. That's what I'm trying to say about the waist. If your waist becomes more formed and defined, it means that your digestion is moving very differently, so your bowel movements increase. So you no longer have that man gut, or you no longer have that little masculine pregnancy pooch. Yes, you don't have that anymore. So the body starts to shift. It starts to change. And you're like, wow, just simply from giving your body attention and intention. So fellas, Be very easy and gentle once again with moving your member around. We're not jerking it. We're not pulling it. You are increasing circulation. That's different. Spread it out. Spread it out like you're spreading bread. Just spread, right? And breathe it in and let go. Where and how your body lands as well tells you a lot about your health. And we can get more into that if you want to do a consultation. I do that with women as well. We look at the menstrual cycles. I help you read your blood so that you can understand, like, oh, okay, this is what's happening. Well, men, you have something similar to that as well that we can track, and we can tell you, okay, this is what's happening with your health. This is what is not happening with your health, and we need to give it more attention. How about that? Okay, so until then, I am Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy. Go out, take care of yourself, be very gentle with yourself. Use castor oil. Make sure you oil the body before you gua sha, right? We don't gua sha on dry skin. Don't do that. It's not necessary. And just be very gentle to yourself. Your body will lead you, and it will tell you exactly what you need to do. And the more and more and more you do this, the more and more your body will seek it out. And you'll notice, like, wow, I'm sleeping. Or I've had clients tell me this, that used to get up and go to the restroom at night a lot. That ain't happening no more. They sleep throughout the entire night. They are not interrupted by their bladder. So I know that I'm onto something. I know that this works, because I've been doing this and sharing this with clients for a very long time. So with that being said, I can keep teaching, but I'm going to go ahead and stop. My name is Dr. Mo with Moya Body Care and Colon Hydrotherapy. Until then, stay magical.